Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Xplody FPS. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own animated AI avatar completely free. Whether you want to use it for YouTube or just to spice up your content, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. No paid tools, no complicated setup, just easy and fun. So let's not waste time and jump right into it. First of all, open any browser and search for Leonardo AI. This is the tool we'll use to generate our AI avatar. Once you're on the Leonardo AI website, go ahead and log in using your Gmail, Apple, Microsoft, or any other account listed there. I'm logging in using Gmail for this example. Once you're logged in, you might see a quick tour screen. You can either explore it or skip it. I'm just skipping it here to jump straight into the main part. After that, leave the prompt enhance its setting as it is. And for the style option, I usually go with cinematic because it looks more polished. But feel free to try out different styles or just stick with the default if you're not sure. Next, we've got the image dimensions. I'm choosing a 16:9 aspect ratio because it's perfect for YouTube thumbnails and videos, but you can go with any ratio depending on where you're planning to use the avatar. The resolution setting, just leave it as it is for now. Later in this video, I'll show you how to upscale the image and boost its quality easily. By default, Leonardo generates 4 images at once, and unless you're on the paid version, you can't change that, so just leave that setting as it is. Now go ahead and enter your prompt here. You can either generate your own prompt using ChatGPT or just copy mine from the description below. If you're a YouTuber and want your channel name written on the avatar's shirt, just update the text in the prompt. For example, replace Xplody FPS with your own channel name. Now click on Generate and let it do its thing. Sometimes the generated image might have issues like extra fingers or messed up text. Don't worry, in that case, you can fix it using another free tool called Focus AI, or simply hit Generate again until you get the perfect result. Once you're happy with your AI avatar, just go ahead and download it. Now that we have our AI avatar, it's time to boost its quality and resolution. Open your browser again and search for Pixelcut. It's another free tool that helps to improve the quality of AI-generated images. Once you open the Pixelcut website, you don't even need to log into an account for this part. Just upload your image directly, then head over to the upscaling feature and click on the upscale button. After the upscaling is done, you'll see a comparison line where you can drag and check the before and after quality. You'll also notice that the resolution size has increased along with the sharpness of the image. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your upgraded AI avatar. Now let's move on to the next step. At this point, I'm switching over to the FloorP browser. It's a fast and secure browser, and I personally use it for privacy reasons. You'll start to understand why that matters once you begin working with tools like these. As a little hint, we're going to be using temporary emails in this step. Just search for temp Gmail on Google, and you'll find plenty of options. I'm not sharing any specific sites here because of YouTube's rules, but I know you guys are smart enough to figure it out. Now go ahead and search for RunwayML and open the website. This is the tool we'll be using to animate our AI avatar. Once you're on the site, create a free account. It's super easy and quick. After logging in, you'll see a clean interface. Look at the panel on the left side and click on Generate Video. This is where the magic happens. You'll see multiple models available, but I recommend starting with Gen 3. It's currently the most stable one when it comes to camera angles and motion control. There's also Gen 4, which is more advanced and produces better quality visuals. But it's a bit harder to control the camera with that one. To put it simply, Gen 4 looks better but requires really precise prompts, while Gen 3 gives you more control over camera movement but works best with simple and clear instructions. Personally, I've used Gen 3 a lot, and honestly, I still go back to it when I need full control over the animation. Now once you've selected your model, just set the resolution, upload the AI avatar image you created earlier, and then write your animation prompt. My tip here: keep it short and simple. If you try to write a long, detailed prompt, it can mess things up, as you'll see in the example I'm showing in the video. A short and sweet prompt usually gives the best results. Once your animation is ready, just download the video and that's it. After downloading the avatar video, now it's time to sync it with your voiceover. Basically, give your avatar some realistic talking lips. So head over to the search bar and type DreamFace. This is the platform that helps you sync your AI avatar's lips perfectly with your voice or script. Once you're on the site, log in using your email. It's a quick sign-in. After that, go ahead and upload the video we just created in RunwayML. Now here's the cool part. DreamFace gives you 3 options. You can either upload a script, use a voice recording, or just upload a video that already has voiceover. In my case, I'm using one of my older videos that already has a voiceover just to show you how the result looks. The syncing is pretty fast, and once it's done, your AI avatar will look like it's actually speaking your words, with smooth lip movement that matches the audio. That's it. I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more content from Xplody FPS. This is Saira, signing off. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and download the final video. And that's it. Your AI animated avatar with lip sync is now fully ready. You can use it in your YouTube videos, shorts, or even as your virtual face for content creation. It's completely free and honestly looks super professional if you follow all the steps right. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your creator friends, and subscribe to the channel for more cool AI tools and tech tricks. This is Saira signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.